Man, what is good, YouTube? So we is back with another little video. Man, listen, I had caught a nail in my rear tire. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna swap both of them out. I'm going to try a new tire setup. So we're gonna see how that looks. We actually about to go to Wawa though, cause I'm trying to put some air in this tire before I go all the way out there, and it's quite of a drive, so
help me.
So we're gonna try and make it out there. I'm gonna of course take y'all on the ride. We about to stop out Wawa real quick though to get some air, but let me get this cold start for you guys. About to go to Wawa real quick, put some air in this tire, and I'll give y'all updates along the way. You heard? What's good, y'all? Shit. So we made it to Wawa. About to pull in right now, and yes, the tire pressure light is on. I'm about to put like 60 psi in this shit. I gotta go way across town to Tampa for these tires, but my fault, man. I know I ain't been dropping content lately over here, guys. But I do have something coming soon that I'm ordering next week. So I'm about to get y'all some more content in. I'm just trying this new tire setup though, because I've been needing some tires. So I'm like, why not get the tires and also get the setup that I want? It's only one side that I need, but I'm gonna get both sides because I'm changing the tire setup. So let me go ahead and put this air in this tire real quick. Jeez, I'm about to put 70 psi in this thing, man.
Really dumb, for real.
See it? Look how, I mean, yeah, a little flat. You can tell. I also wanted to repaint my calipers. I wanted to have them Akibono instead of the Affinity on there. I don't know what color. And I also need some new rotors, man. More to come. Always something to spend though. Always. I don't know if this tire getting air now. Oh yeah, it's getting there. We almost done though. About to put 70 psi in this shit. So no, I didn't put 70 psi. I did not have time for that. But I did put about 50 psi, 51. And now we're gonna be on the way. Yeah, word. Y'all wish me luck, cause I'm gonna need it. You feel me? I'm finna we're gonna try and catch y'all halfway there. And of course, there's traffic. Oh my God. If y'all stay in Tampa and y'all gotta get off this international exit, you already know what I'm doing. Your boy is not staying in all this traffic over here. You already know what I'm about to go do. Ooh, looky what we got over here. Man, move! I'm trying to get this black C8. You just trying to get in front of me. Man, move, bruh. Back, YouTube, we made it. Yes, sir, we made it. bro. I had called for the 275s.
I think you spoke to someone else, so I can help you out. 275.
Oh no, I'm about to go up a size, but 275, 40, 19.
Okay, just two?
Yeah, just two
All
for
right.
the rear.
For the rear.
All right. Nah. I think it was you I had talked to you about for the 275s.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, of course.
Okay. Last 4 2
For 9280. Yep. I'm Nishi straight.
And then
That's the second one? Hell yeah. Damn, these shits are wide as fuck.
it's gonna be grippy.
Yeah. Bet that.
You gonna do that?
Yeah. I'll do those. Yeah, hell yeah. She gonna look wide as shit. Yeah, that shit's gonna be dummy thick. Look at her. She about to get some new shoes. Like I was saying though, I wanted to change my calipers. Since they Akibonos, I wanted to put the Akibono on the front, like some bright ass color. After I lower. I would get all 4 tires, but honestly, I already got this side, and the other side already has enough meat to where I don't really need it. So I really needed the 2 rears because I got a nail on the other side, and I might as well change the other side because I'm gonna up the tire size. So I'm about to just get the 2 rears and call it a day. Meaty boys. We got one so far. I'm just waiting for him to put it on.
That ISR, that costs more than it told me?
Hell nah.
Cheaper than it told me.
Nah, it's cheaper than it told me.
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
I fuck with it because I feel like everybody and their mama got told me.
Yeah, told me. You feel me?
And I'm like, damn, I seen the ISR and I'm like, shit, I ain't never seen that before. Like, everybody got told me.
Yeah. I got the ISR. I got custom test pipes, and I have the Z1 white pipe.
Oh, hell yeah. So it's full complete all the
Yeah,
way
it's
through?
full complete all the way
tuned?
through. Yeah, not yet.
Oh, girl,
Not
it's gonna be
yet.
shooting some
Oh, of
6
course.
foot flames.
Of course, bro. That's what I'm planning on.
I mean, you got everything there?
Yeah, I do. I'm getting my intake soon. I'm gonna drop it first. I'm gonna drop it first, but
I'm trying to get into one, but I'm not gonna race like with all these people be doing out here. I want to slide it.
you want to slide it?
Yeah, so I got this one company in Florida, Central Florida. It's called Drift HQ.
For real?
Yeah, and they sell everything from like a simple drift car to a professional drift car. Like they got everything in house.
Like they have them built?
No, like they have every part that you need to make your car.
Make a drift car.
To make it like just a normal daily driver like us, drift car, up to a professional. Like they got everything. So like I want to get one and just order everything
And
I need
just
off that shit.
and just slide it.
And it's in Florida too, so they'll come here.
Yeah, like day or two. Yeah.
Yeah. I want to get into either 350, G35, G37, whatever.
So yeah, they like one of the best platforms, bro. I swear.
Fun, yeah. And they slide.
Yes, they do. We went with the Michelin Sports. Yo, once he drop this shit, bro, I'm already knowing this shit gonna look dumb dick. I can already tell. Yeah, that's the thing. Like everyone got the same shit. You feel me? Like with the whole Tommy exhaust, I know they so popular, they sound good, but they mad expensive. You feel me? So not everyone went this route with this exhaust setup. That's why I wanted to do it. It's just different. And actually, people fuck with it, actually. As you can see, people fuck with it. Yeah, that shit look dumb meaty, bro. Oh my God. I'm about to go check out. Let's get it. And we is done. Shit. I actually fuck with it. They feel good. They ride good. And ooh my. Ooh, hello. We're gonna have to catch up with bro. He turning. Yee! I got a twin. I got a twin. I fuck with it. Apparently mans ain't speak English. He was a Spanish. But that's alright, he know what I meant. Oh my lord. So we are all done, guys. I'm back home now. Yeah, she look pretty meaty.
Technology.
Gonna definitely tell a difference once I lower it. Y'all keep coming back to the channel because I'm definitely gonna have some more content for you guys. But look, 275, 35, 19s. Yes sir, baby. We getting that grip on. But yeah, come back to this channel, man. Y'all stay tuned. We is not done yet. We try to do everything possible to this car. And that's it. That's it. We gonna do it. Y'all stay tuned. And subscribe, like, share, comment, anything. I love all the support, guys. Thank you.